Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, wait. And today, I am going to be making a video with my coffee machine. Yay! So, yeah, it's my personal coffee machine. So I'm going to show you what to do. So, okay, so I am going to put you guys right here. Okay. Okay. So you're gonna grab this. Well, pot it comes with. Put water. As much as coffee as you want. So right now, I'm just showing you guys. So like right here. So now you have to put it in here, okay? So I'll be right back when I put it all in there. Okay, so I put it all in here. So there's a hole right here. Here, I'll show you guys. There's a hole right here. You put the water in. Right here, you get the coffee. Wait, I'm not to that step yet. So set the camera again. Okay. Well, okay. So then you grab your coffee filter and then take out your coffee. I use this one because it's my personal favorite. So, yeah. So you don't want to add that much that you run out. No. Coffee bag, and then boom. Oops. Close this part. And then turn it on. You can see it's green. So now you wait and clean. Look how many vapor is gonna come out of this. Oh, not yet, not yet. It will. It will. Do you guys see the water coming out from here to there? Here, I'll show you guys. So there is water coming out from there to the thing. It's getting like full. Do you guys see like those raindrops? Or not raindrops, but like. Okay, guys. Well, I will be right back when this is filled up. So, yeah. Guys, so right now, it's like still getting. It's barely not even to here. It's still like down here. So it's like down here, not even to here yet. Look how many vapor is gonna come out. The smoke. Here, I'm gonna show you the You guys wanna go in there? Oh god, my thing got all foggy. It's foggy. Hold on, the fogginess stopped. I'll clean it really quick. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is making coffee. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so currently I am back. And now it's up to number 4. It's past 4. It's heading to 6 and it's 8 and then it's kind of gonna go to 10, because like I put it to right here, like to right there, so it's not gonna go over 10. It's gonna go like past 8. Like if I just push this down, look. Magic. Just kidding, no, it's not. It's not magic. Let's not break my coffee pot. Okay, so now, if you guys can see, let me turn it around. You guys almost fell into the water. Okay, so if you guys can see, it's like not even to like number 4 anymore. It's like all the way down here. So like this tells you how far to go. Ooh, that's steaming hot. So it's getting there, it's getting there. But let's just turn it off for now. Or actually no, let's keep it back on. We are going to be leaving it on for right now. And then after we're just gonna turn it off before it hits, or after it hits 8, we're just gonna turn it off. And water will still be running, but it just won't be as hot. So now as you can see, it's past 8. I turned it off, and me over here with my Starbucks cup. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill it up and make some coffee. Okay, and then I'm gonna be parking right there. Okay, so then you just wanna take this out slowly. And it's still like, it's still very, 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 very hot. So you just want to scoot this over and put like something in here, because water's still falling out a little bit. No, never mind. So then you want to grab this, and you just go like this. Everywhere I go, you be like, oh, so bad. Break it down. And I also made coffee for my mom, so there's extra hot. Okay, so I'll be right back. Get all the supplies from here. Make sure you don't knock anything out challenge. Okay. And, oh, why do we need the coffee? We don't need coffee anymore. Just saying, the coffee you guys saw was it's not for that machine, so don't use that coffee, because people say that it'll burn. So now I'm just gonna take like this much. Can you guys see this much? I just dropped some. And then a half. So we'll just put that aside. If we need more, we'll get more. And this one, we'll just go like this. And there's not much. And we'll just go boop. Then we're just gonna do more. We'll mix our mixture. Okay, so now the taste. Oh, that taste is really hot, but it needs a little bit more sugar. Like it's right on track, so it just needs a little bit more sugar. A little tiny bit more of sugar. That should be fine. So now, putting these back. Okay, so now and that is perfectly fine. We'll just clean the bottom. Just clean it. And then we just want to put it right there. Oh, you guys can see. Right there. You guys see? It's right here. So, and now you got yourself. Oh, wait. Caps on backwards. Now you got your Starbucks drink made at home. It's hot. Don't burn your tongue. So, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications. Bye.